Yo, so I had pretty high volume day today. I did 3 sets of 9 at 282 here on Buffalo squats. It was a good day. Want to increase the volume because I'm going out of town for about 5 days for Thanksgiving. So I definitely wanted to hit some volume before I head out tomorrow. I'm definitely going to be lit up. This was my most volume slash really overall work I've done in probably 5 months. So I'm definitely going to be super sore, which isn't necessarily a good thing, but I definitely wanted to get it good before I left. Just working back, building my base back. But it actually felt lighter than I was expecting. And then after this, I did some RDLs. I did 3 sets of 12 at 225. Got my new platform set up, all that stuff ready to go. And then after that, I finished with some reverse hypers and did 3 sets of those with 275. Well, it's actually less because it's not the bar, but if it was on a bar, it would be 275, so however much that is. But anyways, I will film tomorrow right before I leave for upper body, and I will see y'all then.